Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights on analytical chemistry. Today, we're diving into the regulatory guidelines for analytical method validation. Whether you're using HPLC, GC, mass spec, or other methods, there's a wide range of guidelines and techniques out there. But don't worry, I'll simplify things for you here in this channel. Let's get started. Here are a set of guidelines that will help you validate your analytical methods with confidence. Our first guideline is the United States Pharmacopoeia National Formulary, or USP-NF, General Chapter 1225 Validation of Compendial Procedures. This guideline outlines the necessary steps and considerations for validating analytical methods. Next up, we have the PA/PH/OMCL 1382 or 5, Validation/Verification of Analytical Procedures. This revised guideline, released in July 2020, offers valuable insights and recommendations for validating analytical procedures. Moving on, we have the FDA's Analytical Procedures and Methods Validation for Drugs and Biologics. This guidance, specifically designed for the pharmaceutical industry, provides a comprehensive approach to validating analytical methods. Last but not least, we have the ICH Guideline Q2, R2, on validation of analytical procedures. Although currently under public consultation, this guideline, published in March 2022, offers important insights into the validation process. Now, regulatory guidelines may not cover every single detail about testing procedures or sample preparation, but they certainly offer some valuable insights. These documents are interconnected, referencing each other and establishing a framework for defining typical analytical performance characteristics during method validation. While there are industry-specific guidelines out there, we'll be focusing on the ICH Q2 guidelines for this video series for a few reasons. Firstly, they are applicable to most situations and serve as the foundation for many other regulatory guidelines. Secondly, they provide definitions and basic tests for validation, which can be beneficial even if your industry has its own specific guidelines. However, it's important to note that these regulatory guidelines won't give you a step-by-step guide on performing each test or setting limits. That's where your industry-specific guidelines come into play. They provide the nitty-gritty details you need to ensure accurate and reliable results. So, to sum it up, regulatory guidelines are a helpful resource, but they're not the be-all and end-all. Use the ICH Q2 guidelines as a starting point, but always double-check your own industry's guidelines for the best results. Remember, it's all about combining the broader regulatory framework with the specific requirements of your industry. Now that we have a basic familiarity with the common regulatory guidelines, stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll explore different tests in detail and provide expert insights to help you overcome any challenges you may encounter. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.